Moqups is a web-based tool designed for creating wireframes, mockups, and prototypes for websites and applications. It's simple to use, even for beginners, allowing users to visualize their ideas before development begins. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use Moqups effectively. Getting started with Moqups. Sign up. Visit moqups.com and create a free or paid account. You can choose between various plans depending on your needs. Log in. After signing up, log into your account to access the dashboard. Create a new project. Create a new project. Click on the New Project button to begin a new project. Select a template. Choose from pre-designed templates like wireframes, mockups, or prototype designs. Using the interface. Canvas. The main working area is where you can drag and drop design elements to create your mockup. Elements. On the left side of the screen, you will find a library of elements like buttons, shapes, text boxes, icons, and more. Simply drag and drop them onto the canvas. Shapes and symbols. Use pre-made shapes or create custom symbols for frequently used design elements. Designing your project. Add components. Utilize text boxes, images, icons, buttons, and other visual elements to build your design. Collaboration. Mockups allow real-time collaboration. Share your project with team members for feedback and adjustments. Creating prototypes. Prototype mode. Once your design is ready, switch to prototype mode to link different sections or pages. Create clickable interactions, transitions, and animations to simulate user flows. Testing. Test your prototype to ensure smooth navigation and functionality. Exporting and sharing. Export. Save your project as a PDF, PNG, JPG, or HTML for easy sharing and feedback. Sharing. Share a link to your project or embed it directly into websites for seamless collaboration.